This is a video for a reader who asked if there was a way to practice some gymnastics maneuvers for which he doesn't have enough strength yet to do it without any help. So the front lever and the back lever. And after warming up your shoulders, you can use a resistance band that's hanging from the bar in between your rings and just hook your feet on it while you go into this back lever position. Having the support allows you to feel the positioning and how your shoulder blades and shoulders should be while your core is engaged. And you can do the same thing going the other way in a front lever position. Again, getting familiar with the positioning and how it all would normally feel. So I always recommend doing something to warm up your scapulae and shoulders before you do this type of work. And usually I'll just keep my feet on the ground and do some pull-ups, which are the equivalent of seated rows. And then once I'm warmed up, when I get into the back lever position, the focus is to keep the scapulae protracted and depressed while keeping the abs and the glutes engaged. And then in the opposite position, the front lever, the goal is to keep the scapulae retracted and depressed while keeping the abs and glutes engaged. And in this position, you can always do those seated rows again, which is excellent for development of upper body strength. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.